Welcome to the shop and welcome to another What's Up. So, not a lot of work done on the cars this week, but what we have done is a fair amount of cleanup and some things that need to get done outdoors before it gets too crappy of weather. Was raining this morning, so it's getting back to normal Washington. Uh, let's go have a look around and see what it did happen. Okay, so we'll start with the Beetle. As you can see, the main roll hoop is in place. And we've got a bar here that's not quite complete yet. I'm just doing the very final fitting on that. And that'll be the halo bar that goes from that corner to that corner and up around the front of the car. And then from there, there'll be two legs that go down to the chassis down below, over here and here. Let's see. You can see I've got the wagon behind our mower, the lawn tractor. So I've been hauling gravel. This is a fairly difficult thing. The end of our driveway turns into a giant mud puddle every year, and it keeps getting deeper and deeper because the neighbors drive their 4x4 trucks through it to swing wide to get into their driveway. So I'm putting gravel back in it and filling it back up again so I don't have to drive through it all winter. So if I sound a little tired, that's why, because I hauled several loads of that today. And after 2 major surgeries and 9 months of chemo, I don't have a huge amount of endurance left. The other thing we're doing right here is we've dug this back out, or dug it out. That's going to get concreted in to the level of the sidewalk in here. And this area over here will get done as well. You can see I've kind of just chopped a little bit of the edge away. Kind of got a minor start on that. We went down to our local depot of home today to get rebar and some more Saccrete and some stuff like that. And they were out of 10-foot rebar. Happy to sell you 20-foot pieces, but those stick 10 feet out of the van, so that's not happening. Hopefully, supposedly by the end of the week, they're going to have more. Anyway, let's go inside and see what we see. As you can see, my mats are gone at the moment because I was cleaning them. And let's see. So, as you can see, everything's in here. Floor is pretty clean now. It wasn't. It was really disgusting. I did move some stuff around here. The sheet metal brake is now on wheels, so I can move it around as necessary. And I will tell you that is a huge pain in the butt to move. It's about 1,000 pounds, 1,200 pounds, and it doesn't want to move. And when it starts moving, it doesn't want to stop moving. So it's kind of a chore for one guy. The other thing that's really new here that we haven't announced is the main part, or the first part of my CNC plasma table has arrived. For some, well, they ship it in multiple boxes. Like this first box was 132 pounds, and there's only so much you can ship UPS weight-wise. We have brought the shelves in that I got at auction. I've started filling this one up. They are ugly, but they are fully functional. You got one here as well, which you can see. And then I also, you can kind of see it here through, I have put my press on wheels as well, so it goes anywhere it needs to go. Nothing really has happened with this. Let's see. The 3D printer area is now all cleaned up, and you can see that desk over by the 2 shelves. That needs to be repaired a little bit. It was another auction find. It's a $1,400 desk. I bought it for $5, and but it was freight damaged, so I've got to press it a little bit to get the drawers to close properly. That'll get done. It'll probably actually go up for my wife to work with. And then in the machine room, we have another shelf as well. That's going to come in quite handy. Probably won't be just machine room stuff on it, but it's going to make my life a little simpler in here too. The next major cleanup is coming in this area because it's pretty disgusting. Tools laying everywhere, and the floor is just filled with, you can see all the chips from when I was making the chassis stand and so forth. So that's my next project. Anyway, that's kind of what's gone on for the last week and a half or so. We will, yeah, another project is I got to get rid of all this cardboard and go to the dump because my garbage cans are all full. And we don't have enough space in our little bitty garbage can that they give us to do it, so I have to take it out to the transfer station myself. Anyway, that is all for this week. If you like updates on my projects and the shop, please stop by and give it a like and subscribe if you would. That helps me out, and it makes me more likely to put out more videos. So anyway, remember, in the words of the immortal Al, use your brain. And I'm not going to do it with an Australian accent like he would, but it is what it is. Thanks for coming. See you later.